When she blessed from the man above, and shorty so dope, make you fall in love. Say something like you only get one chance, you better make it right. 07 Buick Lucerne 3800 Series 3 motor. Today we're gonna be changing that water pump right there. And while we're here, we're gonna take care of the thermostat, which is right there. 2 bolts here, 2 bolts there. And on a water pump, first thing we want to do before we loosen the belt up, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. You want to kind of crack those bolts before you take this belt off. And there's the thermostat.
Mike is fixing my deck. Mike,
say hi.
hi.
Alright, so we got these unloosened and the belt unloosened as well. You're gonna need it's a 15 millimeter. Stick that onto here, and you'll go push it back, and that'll release the tensioner. Once you do that, there's a bolt here which can't come out unless you move power steering pump. So there's 2 bolts here. One is there. You want to turn the pulley here, stick a socket into here, 13 millimeter, or get that nut. And then there's one directly below it. Once you get that, this will come out. You'll be able to move that bolt. And then there's several other bolts. I'll show you once I get this off. Alright, so once you take this off, the 4 bolts, you'll end up with just a water pump. You have a bolt here, that bolt there, a bolt here, a bolt here, and about 2 other bolts. One here and there's one on the bottom. Then this will come out. Alright, so these bolts here, it's 3 small bolts. It's a 13 millimeter here. I mean, that's a 10. These 3 small bolts are 10s. 3 of those. Gonna take those 3 bolts out. Alright, got that one. Next. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4. You have a small bolt at the bottom of this water pump too. I forgot that one. It's another 10 at the bottom of here. But these are all 13s. So you got this bolt loosened, this bolt loosened. Small one here. This one that's by the power steering. These are 13 millimeters. These are 10. And don't forget, you got 1 10 that's at the bottom here. Right there. Make sure you seal your gasket. Opposite side. Alright, y'all, job's complete. It's the new water pump. All bolts tightened down. Thanks for hanging out, guys.